What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shoe Skillio with the Dillio. Keep the Tulio, you better know that. This is my ATI, Omni Max, AR pistol. Chambered in 5.56, 223. We ain't shit in this motherfucker. I just got this thing. I ain't even gonna prep to y'all. I like it. It's cool. I really don't know what to say for I'm just starting off with this YouTube channel. Trying to make a YouTube channel with this shit. I ain't never shot it yet. Probably take it to the range tomorrow. But yeah, I like it though. This thing pretty cool. Sleek, 7.5 inch barrel. Call it the doo-doo green. They might call it something else. I say it's like doo-doo green though. But it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really putting on some little bullshit I threw on there from a different gun. Let me show y'all a little zoom up. Let me show y'all something though. You know what I mean? 223s, 5.56. Pick your poison, you feel me? How you want it? I ain't tripping, but yeah, this the pistol right here though. Yeah, it's being pretty bad though. You feel me? It's like that though. It's plastic. You know what I'm saying? Like Wayne said, the bitch said in that Wayne video. How I shoot if it's plastic? You'll see if your boy run up. I know just like a shit. I don't condone the violence at all, but I do condone protecting yourself by all means. Any means necessary. If you gotta protect yourself, do what you fucking gotta do. Like, better them than you, right? That's how I feel. But yeah, I can't wait to take this outside to bust this motherfucker for real. This thing gonna be sweet, I'm telling y'all. Like, I ain't even done, I just knew for real, like, I ain't even shot it at not one time, like. But I can't wait to take it to the range though, y'all. Like, this the clip that it came with. It's a clip that this homie gave me. I like it, it's a little see-through. He said it ain't fit his shit, but it fit my shit, like, perfectly, like, it ain't coming out. I don't know how that shit go. But it ain't too hard to push, just kind of give it a little, bring a little finger screwing, you feel me? Can't wait to take this outside. You feel me, y'all? That's all I gotta say. Skilly dough out. Oh, hey.